Squats are basic strengthening workouts used to tone and build body muscles. Squatting helps increase lower body mobility and also helps strengthen the spine muscles. Squats use every leg muscle and will primarily tone your lower body. In this video, let's see benefits of squatting every day. Burn calories and fat. Squatting can burn more calories than if you spent an hour on a treadmill. According to a study on the calorie burning effects of a variety of exercises, researchers found that squats burned an average 35 calories per minute, the most of all the exercises tested. Squat is a very good exercise for burning belly fat and any other excess body fat. Builds muscle. Squats obviously help to build your leg muscles, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. Heavy squats increase your lean muscle mass, which increases your ability to burn calories at rest over the course of the day. Squats help you stimulate the release of a large growth hormone, testosterone. This hormone is helpful for burning fat, building muscle. Builds strength. Squats is the effective exercise for gaining lower body strength. The squat is a vital exercise for building lower body muscle and strength and core stability. Squats will help strengthen your bones and your muscles and your knees, and can also increase flexibility. Improves balance. Strong legs are essential for staying mobile as you get older, and that's where squats come in. Not only do they develop leg strength, they also work out your core, stabilizing muscles. These muscles help you to maintain balance. Strengthens core. Having strong core muscles can make everyday movements like turning, bending, and even standing easier. Squats are among the best workouts that strengthen your core and muscles in the lower body while increasing your stamina. Builds stamina. The combination of stretching and contracting your muscles from jumps, squats or hops is great for increasing stamina, as the force and power from these movements builds up your overall strength. It is an effective exercise for strengthening the leg and back muscles. Improves blood circulation. Since squats require total body movement and recruit lower body muscles including the quads, hamstrings and glutes, they help increase blood flow. Squats target the largest muscles in your legs, which gets the blood flowing to your lower body almost instantly. Help prevent injuries. Squatting is a load-bearing exercise. It helps with overall strength, which is great for younger people, and also older people who may have a low bone density. The strengthening will therefore help with injury prevention. Tones legs and abs. Squats do work your abs. Doing squats is about more than building muscle and strengthening your legs. It's the secret to strong abs. Front and back, both kinds of squats are very effective. Give your body some attention and take up this 30-day abs and squat challenge and build up your core muscle till you reach your goal. Proper squat form is key to avoid knee and back pain. Don't do partial squats by going only half the way down. If you have a health condition or an injury, be sure to talk to your doctor or a certified personal trainer before adding squats to your fitness routine.